Hey, what's up, guys? So, Goofy Bastard here. Look. I got swag. I got a t-shirt. Ain't that some shit? But, anyway, we're here to do a mail call. It's been a while since I've done a mail call. It's been like 6 or 7 months. So, I've been getting mail trickling in over the last 6 or 7 months, so I figured I'd wait till I got a big enough pile and do it then. And trying something a little differently out. I've never done a mail call this way, so we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so if you have sent me anything in the last 6 months, I apologize. I have it, and we're going to get to it now. All right, so my first letter is from Canada, Supermankev. Now, like I said, I've gotten this a while ago, and I haven't done anything, so let's see what we got. Supermankev is he's a channel, he's a good channel up in Canada, and his and his motto is ride motorcycles, eat ice cream, and I can really get with that. So letter says, hey Goofy Bastard, here's my new sticker, thanks for your support of my channel. Ride safe, Kev. And here is his new sticker. And along with that, he sent me a poker chip. Damn. That's taped in more than I tape them, man. Holy. Damn. I guess been sitting on this paper for so long that, wow. All right. There we go. So we got a poker chip from, what's that, Rocks? Well, I gotta get my glasses, I can't see shit. From Rocky's Harley Davidson in London, Ontario. Cool. Add this to my collection. Thanks so much, Kev. I am going to ride, and I'm definitely going to eat some ice cream. Two of my favorite things. All right. Next one is from VRexMoto. She's over there in California. Like I said, it's been a long time since been a long time. Okay. Yeah, I'm dropping everything. Okay. I don't know what the thing says. Hope you like these. And it's the state of California. You can read that. It's got a, I'll grab it. Ride or be mildly inconvenienced by bikes, not drugs. It's a good motto to live by. And certified trash. They are. I do like these. These are cool. She got a pretty good channel. She hasn't been posting in a while. She posts on Instagram. So check her out either on YouTube or Instagram. Now, this next one is from my man Harley FatBoyJr. He's out there in Oregon. And this guy's killing it. He just went over recently. 1,000 subs. So, and this guy supports everybody, man. He's a great, genuine person. Damn. All right. Didn't want to use a knife for now. I was afraid I was going to cut myself. Oh, no. All right. Got a little card. Aloha, fam. Mahola for the support. I guess that's what that says. Appreciate you. Fat boy. Live aloha. Oh, dang, I'm gonna give you a bastard. Aloha, fam. Okay, put my glasses on again. Hope all is well. I know you've been waiting patient for some goodies. LOL. Well, here you go. Looking forward to seeing a Flyers game with you one day. Dude, that would be so cool. Keep the killer content coming, bro. Stay safe. Aloha, fam. Bracelet. Alright, so first off, the stickers. Dude, that is like killer. That is awesome. Cool stickers. Hey, buddy. Come here. Ah, this is my little buddy. He wants to be on camera. Like a button. And 2 bracelets. I'm gonna wear this. So, real quick. This is my little guy, Sonny, right here. Sonny, right here. Over here. That's my little guy, Sonny. He likes to be on camera, huh? Give me kisses. All right, you want to hang out? You can hang out with me. Want to open mail? Let's get this trash up. Okay. This one. I've had some international with Canada. But this one, Australia. BigRob. BigRob got a good channel. He is a Kawasaki brother. He's a fellow Vulcaneer. He rides a 2004 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad. A 1500. He calls the Land Slug, I believe. So, he's got a pretty good channel. Check him out. Good day, mate. Like that accent. Love the video. And especially great to see a fellow Kawasaki rider out there. That Vaquero is a beast. Rock on, BigRob. And like, he got like letterhead and everything, man. That's pretty cool. That's pretty wild. All right, so let's check his stickers out. Pretty good. Pretty cool. I like that. Yeah, he puts out some real good content. All right. Next. This is, damn, why can't I think of his channel now? His real name is on the Riding Humboldt County. This guy does like, come here, buddy, you're back. This guy does like amazing drone footage with his videos. He he does a MotoVlog, but along with the MotoVlog, he throws in drone footage, and it's just like awesome. Better than I could ever do. I have a drone, I suck at it. So, and last but not least, UCM Pigs. Now, if you follow this guy, he just went to Oktoberfest. I'm having like brain farts here. So, but he's down in Virginia. Best part about this guy, he likes Wawa hoagies. He's the man. So, Goofy B, just getting stickers out to folks who comment and I sub to. Thanks for the support, UCM Pigs. and that is his sticker. So check out his Instagram. Yeah, Instagram. You'll see a nice picture of a Wawa hoagie that he had not too long ago. You know, he made the right choice by going to Wawa. So that's it. That's all I got for today. If you want to do a sticker swap, go back up. All right. And Sonny says, if you want to do a sticker swap, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to. Hit me up on Instagram, Goofy_Bastard1. Hi, guy. What's up? Thank you. Goofy_Bastard1. Hit me up. Yeah, man. My address to send anything to, my P.O. box is in the description of my channel. But it is Goofy Bastard, P.O. Box 266, Phoenixville, Pennsylvania, 19460. So, feel free to send anything. I'll be more than happy to send stuff back to you. You alright? You alright, buddy? He's looking at me funny. We're looking at something funny. Alright. So, until next time, my friends. Stay safe. Love one another. Peace. Say bye. Say bye. Bye, everybody. Bye. See you later, guys.